Hey, what's up? Today I want to talk to you about one of the most frequently asked questions we get about our Timbren SES Suspension Enhancement System kit for the Chevy Silverado 1500 and the GMC Sierra 1500. Check this out. One of the most frequently asked questions that we get about those vehicles is the Trail Boss and the AT4 versions of those trucks. Those trucks right off the factory line come with a 2-inch lift on your truck. And so the question often comes up is, will the standard SES kit work on those trucks because of that 2-inch lift? Well, I'm here to tell you that the brilliant engineers at Timbren have designed the GMRS15 with your Trail Boss or AT4 models in mind. What we've done is we've actually added a 1-inch spacer in there, which is more than adequate to make sure that our SES kit is going to do exactly what we've told you it's going to do on your AT4 and Trail Boss versions. So if you're wondering whether or not you should try the Timbren SES Suspension Enhancement System kit on your Chevy 1500 Trail Boss or your GMC Sierra AT4, I'm here to tell you absolutely this is going to fit on your truck, and it comes with a lifetime warranty and a 100-day money-back guarantee. Head over to Timbren.com right now, pick yours up, transform how your truck tows and hauls. See ya.